82 is Farmall 51 here. Alright, decal day. Getting the decals put on. And the book I'm using to help me in the correct placement. Now I've got to get a drain decal that goes here, and there's another something, I forgot what over here, maybe a drain decal that goes in there too. Trying to make sure I get the right stuff. I've used this book here, and this here is about the best there is because it's got most every, I believe it's out of print now, so you'll have to find it somewhere. See, there's those drain decals, and this one here, I gotta figure out which one that one was. I can't remember. Now the Maple Hunter kit doesn't have it. As you can see here, there's that large Purelator decal. That's there. Actually, that one come off at M set. The one I'm trying to get now, and I believe TM Tractors has it. It'll focus. This decal right here on the back of the seat, that's a hitch to drawbar, or turn slowly so you don't flip the tractor pretty much decal. And the one that they have is a real thin decal, and it's, I'm not sure it's correct for that early of a year, but a little safety decal that goes back here, safety first, you can see that. But TM Tractors has it. And actually the 15th of this month, little Cub history, 15th of this month, there will be 3 years or something like that. I have to figure. I can't think of my head right now, but so I'll let you read that. That the press release for the Farmall Cub was, I guess, let known to the public. There had been a baby, they called it the Baby Farmall or Farmall X, I think it was. And you can see that picture there is actually dated October 1945, and they actually had it out and worked on it in secret during the war. Let's see here. That decal there, I believe, is a patent decal. There's a drain. There's supposed to be one there. But I use this. There's that larger decal there. So there's a good picture of the Purelator decal that went on early. They used the same one that the ABC, H&M used, or ABC did, tractors. H&M, I think they had a different one. Or they may have had, I think the ones on them were a little bit longer, so. But I use this as for the Cub placement on the, let's see, that's a patent decal there, I'm pretty sure of. Let's see here. Oh. I went through this book, and it really helped as far as trying to determine where the McCormick Deering decal, since it's a little bit different, was placed. Let's see, this picture here actually has a good focus. You can see that's larger than the one they have in the kit. So, but yeah, like I said, TM has that photo. I've got one of those signs made on the hood sign there, and I got the IH decal. See, it's the IH without the white background around it. It's the one they have on the front. I don't know why they sent that one. I think that's just a generic one they make for, as you can see there. This is, of course, this is one of the hand-drawn photos. It has a smaller IH. Let's see that one there, but try not to, yeah. I can get it to, there we go. You can see that's got the smaller IH on it. But anyway, when I did the, oh yeah, there we go. This is what I used right here. You see in the decal placement, right there between the N and the G, is basically where that one is. So now you got to take into consideration too, when they slap these decals on here, they were not measuring and they were not looking at anything. They just, you know, put it on there. This decal, I've seen it as high as near about touching the top of this. I've seen it so far down that the B was near about wrapped around the back of the dog leg. These are factory photographs, so these are not something that somebody's that somebody did, you know, the dealer may have done it, you know, later. This is actually factory. So and on this one here, the little C was lined up with that hole, and the E was just a hair off center of the oil hole for the generator. And your generator would be back on the back side of this. There'd be little caps in there, and I guess you would stick your hand up there, open up the cap, and you would have to have a long oil, yep, in fact there's one right there, right here, little oil can to squirt oil in there in those bearings, because at the time they didn't have that seal bearings and stuff. So yeah, so I lined those up. This here's lined up exactly just like the couple of photographs. Like I say, a lot of them photographs are up and down all the way, so I just did a pretty much in the middle on that. I've got, like I say, up there's the leftover oil decal. There's the decal they sent with it, the big IH with the white background on it, and that's not supposed to be on the front. So the round nose Cubs, or the early ones anyway. So these two I'm gonna have to order from TM, and then the one on the back seat, the large one on there that this one here, I believe Maple Hunter has that one. That's the safety first decal, and I'm gonna probably put it right across here because I've seen a lot of them with that decal right there. So, and I know you got to be saying, you know, you're crazy for trying to do this, but like I said, I like originality. I like stuff that's correct. And you can see on this one here, he's got it on the back of the gas tank, and he's got another one back along here. So these are archived photographs. These are photographs that International Harvester took at the Hinsdale farm, where they use the test tractors and things like that. And of course, you see this one here's got the big 15-inch rims on it, on the 15 or 16-inch rims on it, so the larger ones. But you can see there, it's good for, you know, so you can see how that one there is pure at the top of the dog leg, the Cub decal. So it's just, you know, you can't really go by in there. And of course, there you can notice the large Purelator decal. And if you notice on a lot of these photographs, we were trying to decide on whether to paint the Magneta or not. You can clearly see on here that Magneta is painted. That's Cub 501 right there. First Cub tractor. So that's 501. That's the first one. This isn't in a private collection. And you notice here, black seat. So yeah, I've done my best to get everything as close. Like I say, them drain decals down here on the radiator and the oil pan. That one on the seat I'll be ordering. And of course, this will be after the fair. But and actually, I think they had one up here for this Donaldson air cleaner. Somebody made it again, but that's it. And let's see. Oh yeah, here's the decal. So the other decal was almost the size of the oil cleaner, oil filter decal. So I'm gonna wait on that and make sure I get the right one. I want to get it right. So we'll be going to Cub Fest in 2022. So in Ohio, So, but anyway, that's it. That's decal placement. Like I said, I've done my research, trying to get it, and you'll see that some of these decals now, depending on if it was a pre-production cub that they were testing, or if it was the first 200 or 300, most of those cubs in there are, not all of them, but most of them in there are pre-production cubs they were testing. You'll see some of them without any decals at all. You'll see some of them with decals. Some of them will even, be missing certain ones. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will, next video I do, I'll probably do some loading videos or something like that, or when I get up there tomorrow, I got to go up there and do some stuff. I'm not taking this tomorrow. It'll be later on. I'll take it, and I got to take the Super C over there, up there. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like I say, if you want a good book, it's the Farmall Cub Photo Archive by, and all these photos are, there's the ISBN number. You can probably look it up on Amazon or something. But it's got a lot. It's got some of the best archive photographs there is. So, all right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.